Alright folks, I want to show y'all the new cabinet that I've been working on. This was a Bear & Sons cabinet, and I bought it at an antique store a while back, but I have started modifying it the way I want it. I took the inserts out and I put some metal panels in, 3 different styles on it. And I put the W.R. Case & Sons cutlery on the door, on the top of each one. And we're going to go with a patriotic theme here. This is going to have my new axe handles. I'm going to keep all them in here. And this section down here is going to be reserved for the knife collection I received here not long ago. When I start cleaning those up, that's where they're going to go, is down here. But it's a very cool cabinet, very well made, and I'm considering adding some lights inside to illuminate everything. I think it'll be cool. I may or may not do that. I haven't decided yet, but definitely up top this thing will be moved, and I'm going to put a case sign. I'm going to make a case sign to put up here. And that'll just kind of top everything off. But y'all let me know what y'all think about that. That's a cool little project I've been working on, and I'm getting closer and closer to having it done. Thank y'all for watching, folks. Love y'all, and God bless.